There are a couple of options I'd like to discuss about the dview command. I've gone ahead and created a drawing, and I'd like to focus on the zoom option and the distance option. As you can see, the distance is the same on both of the two examples. The target here is the house that I've drawn. The camera is the view that I have. On the right hand side, I'm going with a smaller zoom lens, which increases the field of vision. On the left hand side, I have gone ahead with a larger lens length, which decreases the field of vision. What you have to do when creating the models is strike a balance between the zoom lens length and the distance. I recommend starting with a lens length of 30 millimeters and then adjusting the distance. When you're comfortable with that, you can go ahead and experiment with the zoom lens length again, setting it either higher or lower. The higher the number, the more reduced the field of vision will become. I'm going back now to this drawing. I'm going to select this new view, setting it current, and then I'd like to go back to View and select 3D Orbit. What you can do with 3D Orbit is adjust the view ever so slightly. If you wanted to make a slight modification to that perspective view, it is much easier to use the dview command. I can right click, select more, I can adjust the distance from here. I could swivel the camera, and I can go back to Orbit and make other changes. When you have something that looks appropriate to you, go ahead and exit, and remember to save a new view. Call this one VTC02, selecting OK, and selecting OK. I now have two views saved. I can go back to an isometric view and continue working on the model. So the dview command can be used to generate a general perspective view, and then you can switch to the 3D Orbit command to really make minor modifications and adjustments to that perspective view. And always remember to save each perspective view, because you never know when you may need to go back and use it.